guys, welcome back to my channel. You're highly welcome. Guys, I want to thank all my old and my new subscribers. Thank you guys for always coming back. I so much appreciate you guys. Okay guys, today I want to take you guys along with me and show you guys these powerful drinks that can boost your low sperm count. Okay, so let me show you the 6 fruits that can do that for you. Okay guys, so guys, this is the 6 ingredients we are going to use to make this powerful smoothie. Over here is mango, peaches, dates, banana, fresh milk, and Greek yogurt. So guys, this is the 6 powerful ingredients we are going to use to prepare this lovely powerful sperm booster. Okay guys, so let me take you guys around now and show you how we are going to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, so guys, we're about to mix all the ingredients together now. That's the mango, that's the peaches, and the peaches has a seed inside, so I'm going to cut it and get the root of the seed. Okay, so don't just throw it in like that, because it has seed inside. You have to take the seed out of it before blending it, so that it won't spoil your blender. So that's the seed, and we're using 5 dates. If it's the seed one, get rid of the seed. And 1 large banana. That's 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And 1 glass cup of milk. Use any choice of your milk. Okay guys, so we're going to blend all the ingredients now, and you will see the end of the results in a minute. So it's blending now. Guys, I want to use this opportunity to remind you, always check on your consultants and make sure that it's something you can take. Okay, it's fruits, it's natural, but to be a safer side, please check on your consultants. Okay guys, and guys, if you haven't subscribed to me, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, and don't forget to on your notification bell, so that whenever I posted a video, you will be first to notified. Okay, and don't forget to share to your family and your loved ones and your friends, because this drink is going to be lifesaver for many families. Okay, it's very, very powerful sperm booster. Don't joke with this drink. Give it a try and you will thank me for this. Okay, so guys, look at it. Do you see how rich it is? So that's how you will know how effective it's gonna be on when you take it. So you take 1 glass cup before going to bed every day. By 7 days, look at it, you will see totally change. Okay guys, bye bye.